All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, 5.4, number 10. All right, so we want to find the evaluate this indefinite integral using substitution. All right, so let's do that. All right, so in this case, we want to simplify the power here. All right, so we said let u be, right, 1 over 16 x to the fourth, right? So I don't like the way it's written, so I'm going to rewrite it as 1 over 16 x to the negative 4, right? So let's take the derivative. So du over dx is equal to, right? So you have a 1 over 16 is already there. I put the negative 4 in front, and x to the subtract 1 from the power, so it's negative 5, right? So 4 and a 16 cancel out, so you got 4 on the bottom, still have a negative sign, so this is going to be negative 1 over, right, 4 is on the bottom, so that's 4, then x is going to be on the bottom because of the negative power, so to the 5th power. All right, then take the reciprocal of both sides. So you get dx over du is equal to negative 4x to the 5th power. All right, then multiply both sides by du to get dx is equal to negative 4x to the 5th du. Right, so let's rewrite this integral. Right, so you have an integral here. Right, I'm gonna leave 1 over x to the 5th as it is. Right, so we have e to the, we decided to call this guy u, so e to the u. Right, dx, we just found that the same thing as negative, right, negative 4x to the 5th power du. Alright, so we can just cancel x to the 5th on top and x to the 5th on the bottom and clean up a little bit. Right, so negative 4 is just a constant, so kick that out of the integral. So we need to integrate it. So you have e to the u, so e to the u here, and only thing left is du. Right, by exponential rule, antiderivative of e to the u with respect to u is e to the u, right? Then plus some constant c, right? Then we can just put the original expression back in, right? U is the same thing as 1 over 16 x to the 4th, right? Plus some constant c, right? So let's type that in. Right, so it's negative 4 e to the 1 over 16 x to the 4th, right, plus some constant c. Right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.